Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about a gaming-oriented IM, the CCA Falcon. Before we begin the review, let me thank CCA Audio for providing the Falcon for this review. Rest assured, the content of this review is 100% my own personal opinion. For the unboxing picture, I will put it right here. Let's just talk about the build quality and comfort of the CCA Falcon. As you can see, the Falcon is made out of, well, at least the faceplate is a glossy metal faceplate that again could attract fingerprint and scratches. But the back of the body or the main shell is made out of plastic. And thankfully now the size of the body is not that huge like Rhapsody. I believe most people won't have any issues wearing the Falcon. Not like the Rhapsody, because Rhapsody is like super chunky IM. Anyway, yeah, for the specs, the CCA Falcon uses a dual dynamic driver as you can see here. This is 1, 2, and that's it. As for the power requirement, honestly, any source with 3.5mm jack like this works really well with this IM, because this thing doesn't need lots of juice to sound loud and decent just like the Rhapsody. And let's just talk about the sound. The setup I use, obviously the Falcon with Samsung, I don't know what type this is, and the VIO QX13 and Apple Music plus YouTube Music, covering genre of J-pop, EDM, rap, metal, and jazz. Okay, so my impression with the CCA Falcon is that it sounded like Rhapsody with all switches up, but the Falcon has tighter bass and brighter treble. So, translation, what does that mean? It means that the Falcon has this typical, meta tuning, Harman modified, nice bass, but with a bright treble. Most likely the decision to boost the treble is to help with gaming awareness. Let's start from the bass. The bass, it actually sounds really nice. For a, 20 USD IM, the bass is not too much, not too boomy, it's tight, nice, speedy bass, and the mid-range, it sounded normal. That's how I could describe the Falcon. Nothing wrong with the mid-range, and it doesn't sound muddy nor bright, well, at least the mid-range. But the treble, this is probably the one that is going to affect buying decisions for most people, because it has bright treble. Well, honestly, it's just bright. It does not sound particularly harsh, but it's bright. There's no denying it, it's bright. I believe this is again to help with footsteps awareness in game, and for the technicalities, for 19 USD or let's just say 20 bucks, the technicalities are very good. The stage, it's medium size, it has good layering, and the claim for gaming actually not a gimmick. I found the stage presentation is pretty usable for Valorant. 20 USD, and the imaging, it's really honestly source dependent, with source at least, well, on the level of QX13 from VIO, it sounds almost holographic. With smartphones, it sounds 2.5D sounding, and again, what do I mean by 2.5D sounding? Because some people still doesn't get it. It doesn't exactly throw random stuff at you like here bass, here trumpet, here violin. It doesn't do it like that. It still has depth, it still has body, but it doesn't exactly present it in a holographic manner. And that's it. That's 2.5D sounding that I always talk in this channel. As for separation and positioning, it's very good. To be honest, the Falcon is at the same level with Rhapsody, but Falcon has the edge. Why? Because it sounds cohesive. The Rhapsody sounds a bit, let's just say, too separated. For some reason, it sounds like the bass and the mid-range is two completely different stuff, and well, the Falcon is just, yeah, it's just bland. And the detail retrieval, it's very good for the price. This IM actually has lots of detail and textures even when plugged only to a budget smartphone. The only thing I could nitpick is that while the treble does have details, again, it is presented in a bright manner. So the conclusion of this review, if you want an all-rounder plus gaming IM, well, honestly, you could consider the Falcon. It sounds good for 19 USD or 20 bucks. And about the treble, if you don't mind using EQ because some, audiophile is allergic to EQ, honestly, you could just EQ the treble and just pull it just a tiny bit of the treble and that's it. Again, the Falcon is marketed as, well, gaming IM first, so the decision to make the treble bright is more likely a deliberate decision to help with footstep awareness. And that's it, that's all my review. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. I also open a mixing and mastering commission right here. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.